It's time we had a talk. It's time you took YouTube seriously. Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm Alan Spicer, your YouTube certified expert. And if you're looking to start a YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, or push your brand out there into the second largest search engine on the internet, you should click subscribe, start creating. So many people start a YouTube channel, throw up a load of stuff, and then have the idea that maybe in the long term, this will be their new job, this will be their new life. This is the thing that they can hang their life and their hopes on. But are you taking YouTube seriously? I thought I'd take you on a walk with me. Like, it's become a regular thing. This is my local canal. But let's tackle how seriously you are taking YouTube. First of all, are you uploading all of the content? I mean, like, literally, are you uploading anything, everything? Is yesterday's video a gaming video and tomorrow's video a vlog in a park? Are you then going to do some kind of how-to tutorial where you teach people to knit? That's all good if the YouTube channel's for you. That's all good if the YouTube channel's to document your life and your struggles and your hobbies. But if you're taking YouTube seriously, you need to focus. Growing on YouTube is all about creating content that an audience expects. So next time they sign in, they know exactly who you are, what content you are going to do, and what they will get out of it. Because there's so many videos on YouTube. Why are you worthy of their 5 minutes, 10 minutes of time? Why should they sacrifice 5 minutes of time where they could be learning something to watch you? Now, I'm not saying the only way you grow on YouTube is to be a tutorial channel. I'm not saying that you only have to put out how-tos. I'm not saying that you always have to spoon feed someone. I mean, you have to give them value. You need to help them that morning. What are they expecting from you? Are you going to make them smile? Are you going to lift their mood? Are you going to educate them? Are you going to help them meditate? Are you giving them value? Did that 3 to 5 minutes enrich their life? Or was it a weird advert break for your channel that nobody cares about? Because frankly, if you're not making helpful content, why watch it at all? So you need to pick a niche and drill down into it. Have a look at all of the content that's on your channel. Have a look at the videos that you are making. Is there a specific type of video that you prefer to make, or that you know has got a better upside, so it gets more views than any other? Pick that type, stick with that type, make more of that type of content, and then continue to do so forever. When you've done that, don't upload 300 videos in a day. YouTube penalises people that put up more than 2 videos within 48 hours. It just doesn't push it out to the feed. If you are putting out 2 videos a day, those 2 videos must be fucking fantastic, because they won't watch the second one, right? At the end of the day, you'll grab people's attention for a period of time, play the statistics in your favour, upload 1 video every couple of days. If you really have to bulk upload, then 1 a day if you have to, but don't release 5 or 6 videos in a day. That's not helpful for you unless you are a big creator like H3 Podcast and you're putting out clips, because then you have a built-in audience. Don't blow your load. It took you ages to create 20 videos. Make those 20 videos last 5 weeks, 10 weeks. Also, are you uploading randomly? Is there a set day that people can expect you? Are you a Monday, Wednesday, Friday kind of person like me? Or do you just randomly throw up every now and then? How are people to expect you if they don't know that you are there? Think of your favourite TV show. Let's say EastEnders. That is Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. That's ingrained in your head. You know every Monday morning that there's a new Game of Thrones. That's because routine exists. But if Game of Thrones decided to release their TV episode randomly, one time on one day, next time next Thursday, then you'd get confused and they'd lose some of their audience. Next step, branding. If you just walk into your local Tesco's or Walmart or Target or whatever it happens to be in America, and you fancied a sandwich, you walked to the sandwich aisle, and then the only choice was a really nice pre-packaged one, or one that looks like it's been dropped on the floor and a 2-year-old's done the artwork around it, would you pick the battered one? No. So why would you do that on YouTube? At the end of the day, branding is your way of packaging your product. And your product is your videos. How can anyone take you seriously if you aren't serious about your own artwork, your own branding, your own logos, your own avatar, your channel banners, your thumbnails? I have grown my channel by 6,000 subscribers in less than 2 years. Why? Because you recognise my face from the thumbnail. You recognise my face from the channel banner. You recognise my style and my colour scheme. If all of my thumbnails were just my screenshot face, and if my channel banner was some stock photography of a field, or a bike, or a cow, Would you take me seriously? But Alan, PewDiePie does it. PewDiePie is PewDiePie. Once you've made it, once you've got the thousands of subscribers, then you can ignore these rules. But until then, you have to do the legwork. It's a marathon, not a sprint. If you're going to stick around, if you're going to stay motivated, if you're going to stay on YouTube, you need a long-term plan. You need a long-term aim. This is the thing that helps you when you're sat there and your latest 10 videos didn't get above 30 views, you haven't gained any subscribers, you're stuck at 200, 300, 700 subscribers, nothing's going anywhere, nobody seems to be sharing, you're feeling a bit depressed. And this is 6 months in to year 1. If you've got a 5-year plan, you understand that stuff happens, stuff gets stuck, things that take time. And as long as you think, don't worry, I'll get to that 5 years, I'll be right there in the distance, then you have something to aim for, and it puts everything into perspective. Because you have to put everything in perspective, because if you don't, you'll go a bit doolally. I'm gonna go and see what's around that corner. Go up there, start creating.